YouTube? So I'm back at you with another video. Today, the plan is I picked up the old vintage, the OG pit bike from Ryan's a couple days ago. The plan with this is take the pro circuit off and put it on the other pit bike, see how it sounds, because it doesn't sound like a normal, like if you just threw a pro circuit on a stock 110, it wouldn't sound like what this does. You'll see when I put it on here, but if you didn't see, I fixed up the pipe on this thing. If you remember before, it was all bent up, it was all cracked underneath, and then I took the stock pipe off of that, the 03, and then fabbed up. Go watch the last video and you'll understand, but now it sounds like a little moped, a little scooter. Literally all the sound comes from the air box. If this thing would start up. There it is. Barely makes any noise. So, we're gonna experiment, throw that on there. It's not too hard to take on and off. And see how she sounds. But I gotta move some stuff around, move the 125 around. This thing should be back up and running by the end of the week, by the time I get all the parts in. But if you guys are new and this is the first video you're watching, definitely hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll jump into moving some stuff around and get that pipe on. This thing's just shot, you can't even ride it anyway, so I may as well. It'll just sit here until the winter time when I go and do the version 2 build on this thing and actually build it how it was supposed to be built originally. But if you haven't seen it before, I'll just do a little pan over. I'm not going to explain anything on it because I don't want to bore the people that already know. Next up, take that pipe off. But I forgot I had these. I meant to put them on the other pit bike, these bar risers. I'm just gonna throw them on this bike. Hopefully I won't have any issues with cable length and anything reaching. This one's already a little bit tight, but if I reroute it maybe around the front differently, should be okay. So I'm gonna put those on there, get a little more height, since when I do turn it all the way, my knee like pretty much hits the bar. So. Yeah, so I don't know if they're gonna fit like this. I'm gonna have to wiggle some cables around, see if I can bend it back, but like the way it is right now, it's not gonna work. I believe these are about an 1.5 inch riser, so if you're trying to reference pit bike low bars with an 1.5 inch riser, I don't know if they're gonna work, but it depends if you bought the pit bike low or the pit bike high Mega bars or whatever high bars you have. And the pipe's on, sounds so much better, but unfortunately I can't leave it like this. It's gonna piss off the neighbors. But temporarily, I'm gonna ride it for a few days like this. Sounds pretty good. But there's a little sound clip. We're gonna go ride Pitters later today, and should be a good time. So, well, all the fuel I drained out of that tank, which was put in here. I'm just running all the extra 112 in this. Figured may as well use it somewhere. I'm not putting it in the 250, and I'm not reusing it on the 125. So this thing just smells really good. Riding around the lawn should be good enough. All right, we are changing plans over at Bailey's, doing some little this little mini track we got laid out. Not track, just a little turn track. Ow! Just nicked my foot on that root. Bent my brake up. hit that jump right here, but I think it's sketch. Contemplating hitting this jump to that landing. I'm trying to do a few run-ups, just being a little girl, but it's definitely doable in like second. Like pretty good second to clear that, but just sketchy. You got this stump right here, you gotta go around. I'll do a couple of run-ups. I don't know why I feel like the freestyle ramp jump was bigger. I feel like that would be fast enough. Because when I jump it back the other way from the landing, I land right into the jump. It's definitely doable. That's fast enough for sure. Second. Top of second. This thing sounds a lot faster now that it's got the pipe. That's for sure. Right there. Realistically, I could case it right here and be okay. Even lower I could. That's about, the bike's about a little less than half, so the total distance is about 30 feet.
Okay.
Yeah. A 30-foot jump. Coming in hot. You doing run-ups? You gonna do it? Come on.
If he hits it on that, will you?
Yeah, if I...
Like, when you jump this bike, it stalls because the choke's stuck on.
Oh, you can't keep it.
I don't know, dude. Oh, oh my. Oh. Literally 30 run-offs it's been probably. Jeez.
Look at the run.
Oh my god.
That was. See it?
Oh my god. I mean, a little bit faster. My back tire was right here.
Right.
And
If I filled that barrel there, then it'd be fine.
yeah. I wasn't going full second either. I was, even though it's still a pit bike jump, but damn. Alright, try and get it a little bit cleaner of a jump than casing it. Get this fender all fixed back up. That thing's all mint, all fixed up. We'll go ride some trails or something, or rip around. I mean, probably got 30 minutes to build up the confidence to do. But, oh well. Finally did it. At least I didn't go home tonight and still didn't do it. It would be a video about doing some wheelies on GoPro on the pit bike. Sorry for all that rev limiter. I was just trying to clear it out, you know, just making sure the rev limiter still works and whatnot, because I was having some issues with the rev limiter, you know, just making sure it was there still. Oh, these prickers. Got a tree with me. big rock. Pretty close. Oh, we took the branch with him. Doing some heaters. Fender's still holding up. I don't know. I'll probably leave it like this for a little bit. I go back on my word so much with this thing, but I don't care. Not jumping that to flat. Let Anthony doing his typical circle wheelies. Wasn't even a full circle. You're gonna eat it. Do it. Dude, you gotta commit if you're gonna do it.
Can you fix the ramp a little?
The ramp is perfectly straight. That was sketchy.
That's how you do it in